Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. Today we're going to be discussing decision trees in machine learning. We'll break down the types of machine learning models, decision tree building blocks, what decision trees are, and the benefits of the decision tree method. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. The best way to understand decision trees is through machine learning. Machine learning is an interdisciplinary field of study and a subset of artificial intelligence. Machine learning enables computers to learn from huge amounts of data without the need to be programmed. There are three types of machine learning models. First, there's supervised learning. This happens when the dataset has labels and features that are already predefined on which the machine learning models have been trained. Supervised learning also has two subparts, classification and regression. And then there's also unsupervised learning, a dataset with predefined features but has no labels. Then machine learning algorithms must operate the data to provide labels. This is also done to decrease the data's dimensionality. The clustering and principal component analysis are the most common among several types of unsupervised learning models. And then there's reinforcement learning. This is the most advanced type of machine learning model where it learns from experience. There is hardly any need to define features and labels. The reinforcement learning model is provided with a situation and is compensated or reprimanded according to the outcome. To maximize the rewards, the model learns to optimize the situation and therefore improving the outcome with growing experience. Now let's look at the subsets of supervised learning, starting with classification. The classification process helps to determine which category does the data point belong to. In this process, a supervised learning algorithm learns to interpret from the given dataset's features and predict the class, category, or group the data point belongs to. A simple example of this can be handwritten numbers from 0 to 9. The idea is to teach the machine to categorize the correct image to the correct number. Therefore, the machine is trained in a way that it would correctly classify the numbers as per the image. Face recognition in smartphones and for biometric security, as well as medical image classification to understand fractures, malignant tumor, heart ailments, etc., are the real-world applications of classification algorithms. Now let's look at regression. Regression falls under supervised learning as well, and instead of predicting the class of given data like classification, regression predicts the corresponding values of the data set created on the features it meets. Stock market predictions and object detection algorithms used to locate a given object in an image or video are real-world examples of regression algorithms. Now let's look at decision tree building blocks, starting with entropy. Entropy is a typically used concept in information, a measure of purity in the random compilation of information. And then there's information gain. This is the calculation of the amount of relevant information that is achieved from a random sample size with the knowledge of entropy. So you might be wondering, what is a decision tree? In simple terms, a decision tree is a tree that is created on some decisions taken by the algorithm as per the data set that it has been trained on. In this analysis, each branch of the tree represents a possible decision, reaction, or occurrence. The decision tree starts with a single node and branches out in conceivable outcomes. These outcomes further add nodes that branch out to more possibilities. Therefore, this gives the method a tree-like silhouette. Decision tree learning is a predictive modeling approach that works on the principle of conditions. This flow-like-a-tree structure has proved to be efficient as it predicts the expected results quite correctly. Now let's look at the benefits of the decision tree method. The main benefits of the decision tree method is that it's quite simple to understand. There's not much effort that is required in data preparation, and its nonlinear factor doesn't affect presentation. Decision trees solve many business problems. Its application can be found in different fields like management, engineering, medicine, and so on. Fundamentally, if you have data and you need to make decisions amongst uncertain conditions, the decision tree method is the way to go. Along with machine learning is used in data mining and statistics, decision analysis uses decision trees to represent decisions and decision making visually and explicitly. So there you have it. We've discussed decision trees in machine learning. We've broke down the types of machine learning models, the decision tree building blocks, what a decision tree is, and the benefits of the decision tree method. Once again, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.